Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kawi ka truck war suba to yong star cement the camping go hemet ka santarik uni buna ai por ka makhat wi je ro house rock Jowai Bypass ye daw in ne wa cha thango putip tikna kani ka truck to go pen ye na do ki sngi ar sngi ha kani ka thau nei daw si go wai ya le mmu